In this video, I'll guide you through how you can easily block bad videos on Instagram step by step in the easiest way possible. So guys, first of all, you would have to open up Instagram on your phone, then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now scroll on all the way until you find an option of content preferences. Tap on it. Now you would have to tap on sensitive content on the top and it would provide you three options. Now in your case it might be selected to standard or more, but all you would have to do is to tap on less and then hit confirm, and it will potentially block all the bad videos on Instagram that you might see on reels or on your home page or explore page. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.